Hello, and welcome again. Step into clear, confident English through the use of essential phrasal verbs used in workplace communication. Let's dive straight into projects. Kick-off definition. To formally start a project. Synonym, initiate, example. The team kicked off the project with a stakeholder alignment meeting. Map out definition. To plan in detail. Synonym, plan, example. We mapped out the full delivery timeline before execution. Breakdown definition. To divide a project into smaller tasks. Synonym, decompose, example. The project was broken down into manageable work streams. Setup definition. To establish systems, teams, or process. Synonym, establish, example. The manager set up the reporting structure early on. Build out definition. To develop and expand the project component. Synonym, develop, example. The team built out the platform in phases. Carry forward definition. To move unfinished tasks into the next phase. Synonym, transfer, example. Several deliverables were carried forward to the next sprint. Pushback definition. To delay a deadline or challenge a proposal. Synonym, delay/challenge. Example, the client pushed back the delivery date due to scope changes. Bring forward definition. To move a deadline earlier. Synonym, advance. Example, the launch was brought forward to meet market demand. Catch-up definition. To recover lost time or progress. Synonym, recover, example. The team worked overtime to catch up on delays. Fall behind definition. To lag behind schedule. Synonym, delay, example. The project fell behind due to resource constraints. Stay on track definition. To maintain planned progress. Synonym, maintain progress, example, weekly check-ins, help the team stay on track. Flag up definition. To highlight a risk or issue. Synonym, highlight, example. The PM flagged up potential risks early. Sort out definition. To resolve issues or confusion. Synonym, resolve, example. The team sorted out the integration challenges quickly. Chase up definition. To follow up persistently. Synonym, pursue, example. The manager chased up pending approvals. Sign off definition. To formally approve completion. Synonym, approve, example. The client signed off the final deliverables. Wrap up definition. To complete a project or phase. Synonym, conclude. Example, the team wrapped up the project ahead of schedule. Phasing definition. To introduce something gradually. Synonym, introduce, example. The new system was phased in over 3 months. Phase out definition. To gradually discontinue something. Synonym, retire, example. Legacy systems were phased out during transformation. Scale up definition. To increase capacity or scope. Synonym, expand, example. The company scaled up operations after initial success. Wind down definition. To gradually reduce activity towards completion. Synonym, conclude gradually, example. The project is winding down as final tasks are completed. If you found this useful, feel free to like and share. And just in case I don't see you again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.